Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to install Audacity plugins. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the process that I'm going to show you in this tutorial is how you can add plugins to Audacity for Mac. So to start, just be sure to obtain the plugin version that matches your system's architecture. So plugins written for the Intel-based Mac or Intel-based Macs won't work in Audacity for Apple Silicon and vice versa. So to find out which version of Audacity you have on your Mac, just open the Finder and simply navigate to the Applications folder, and secondary click the Audacity and click the get info and look for kind in the general section, just like so right here in the photo. And the info sheet will read application or the Apple Silicon, Intel or Universal in parentheses next to the word application. So the universal build is a default download option and should be able to handle either type of plugin. So once you've identified your version of Audacity, just download the corresponding plugin version. So plug installation methods vary by developer, but essentially all you have to do is copy the plugin file or files to the property directory or to the proper directory, and then rescan for plugins in Audacity. So some plugins will automatically copy the files to the necessary folder using an installer like a PKG inside of a DMG. So in this cases, you only need to double check or double click rather the installer and follow the prompts. And if you need to manually copy plugins to the right folder, here are the locations for each type. So you can just go ahead and pause this video and copy this information right here. And if you want to install the plugin just for the current Mac OS user, just simply add this field right here to the front of the folder path for AU, VST, and VAMP plugin. So doing so places the files in the login user's home folder. So usually Audacity will automatically recognize and enable plugins once you install them. But if you don't see your shiny new plugin available after moving it to the proper folder, rescan for the add-on. So here are the steps that you can do if you want to do that. Just click on to the tools and then go to the plugin manager from the Audacity menu bar and click on to the rescan right here and look through the list of plugins to verify that yours is enabled in the state column. So you can sort it by name or path to help locate the plugin. And so that's it for this video. That's how you can install plugins to Audacity in a Mac device. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.